Samsung launched its new Galaxy A80 with Samsung's new infinity display and with a pop-up rotating camera in Design Week event in Milan. So in today's video, I'm going to show you its design, its specifications and also its price in Pakistan. So assalamualaikum friends, you're watching my YouTube channel A.A Shaikh. Let's begin. So the front is covered with 6.7 inches of Super AMOLED display without any notch, punch hole or teardrop, featuring a full screen to its user with a rotating pop-up camera to provide the same optics for both front and back. Screen aside, the Galaxy A80 packs 8GB of RAM along with 128GB of storage. There is also a multi-camera setup on the A80 with a main 48MP camera doing the majority of the heavy lifting and a secondary ultra-wide sensor. As the camera module rotates, so there is no need of separate front camera as you just flip the whole thing around. This makes so much sense as it doesn't sacrifice quality for your selfies. Samsung Galaxy A80 is powered by a Qualcomm S brand new Snapdragon 730G SoC, which is built on 7nm manufacturing process. The Snapdragon 730G is joined by Adreno 618 GPU to take care of the graphics. According to the Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 730 is meant for mid-range gaming smartphones, so hopefully the Galaxy A80 won't be stacker in the gaming front. The Galaxy A80 also comes up with a 3700 mAh battery with super fast charging support as well as USB Type-C port. There is no 3.5mm jack in the smartphone, which certainly aches some prospective buyers. Galaxy A80 runs on Android 9 Pie with Samsung S1 UI, which includes the usual bells and whistles. As far as the price of Galaxy A80 is concerned, in Pakistan it will cross 1 lakh and it will be expected as 1,05,000. Yes, this phone is quite expensive in Pakistan. Let's see how it goes in Pakistan and hope for the best. I myself really like the features of the Galaxy A80 especially the pop-up camera, which really flips and gives you the best result for your selfies. So that's for today. I hope you liked the video. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe and also don't forget to click that bell button and on to be notified every time. So that's for today. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.